In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your screen on iPhone and also record yourself at the same time while recording your screen. So in order to record your screen, first of all, open your control center and make sure you have the icon here to record. If you do not have it, then you can long press and click on add control. Here you're going to have a list of controls which you can add, and you can just search for screen recording and click on add. So when you want to record your screen, all you need to do is to long press on this recording icon, and here you have the option to turn on your camera if you want to record with sound, or to turn it off if you want to record without sound. And when you do that, all you need to do is press on start recording. Right here it's going to say start recording. So if you want to record your screen plus yourself at the same time, you're going to need a third-party application like Record It. So when you download this application, just open it and you can just tap on the red icon here in order to start recording. You can equally record with your camera by clicking on the face cam icon down here, and you can see that your camera has also been added.